the alphabet, the letter and the names, and then this time we'll add the sounds of the letters, okay? So let me share. Before we review the 26 letters of the alphabet, and I hope you have been practicing because it's very important. At the end of this video, again, you can click the link and download. If you're new here, you can download this copy of the English alphabet and also our first lesson. Okay, let's see if anyone has been practicing. I will go in random order. I will point at different letters and you can repeat after me, okay? No, let's just start from the beginning. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. In random order, what is this letter? It's the letter. I'll give you a chance to answer. It's the letter D. What about this letter? It's the letter H. It has the beginning sound of this letter, A. A. What is this letter? C. It's the letter C. This is the letter B, and the lowercase b resembles the lowercase d. So keep that in mind to make a difference between the two, B and D. The letter G, this is, yeah, that's correct. Yes, the letter K. This letter is the letter M. M. Remember about our faces? M, the mouth goes together. M. M. The letter N. N. My tongue is really at the top of the roof of my mouth. N. The letter O. See my lips? They're in a circle. O. This is the letter S. Your teeth are together, and a sound is coming out. The S sound. The letter P. 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 Look at my lips. P. P. The letter Q. Q. There's a little air coming out. Q. Q. The letter U. 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 R. R. Also, I'm sort of using the sounds from the back of my throat. R. This is the letter V. Notice my lips and my teeth. My teeth are on top of my bottom lip. V. 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 Different from the letter B. B. My lips go together, but my teeth are nowhere in sight. B. B. Here, V. V. W. I'll give you a chance. W. And this letter is Z. You see my teeth? Z. And what is this letter? Why? Why? As if you're asking a question, why? Why? And finally, the letter X. So this is a review. If you had difficulties, that means what? You need to go back and practice. No big deal. This is something you'll do for the rest of your English language education. Continue to practice the alphabet, the 26 letters. Now, next, we will discuss our sound examples. In our first lesson, if you haven't had that one, go back and download that or look at the video. We discussed letters. There were 26 letters and 26 names, the A. And this is the key to giving you an idea of how to listen and pronounce the letters of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Now the sounds, that's a challenge. Most people do not connect the letters with a sound. They have a sound. And this is the pronunciation chart here for the sound of A, as in the word. You're learning a word too, apple. If you're beginning student, you're learning a sound. The first letter is pronounced A, and the letter A is A, A, A. So any words that you see, most words, not all, will have the letter, you'll say A. And we are skipping over the name and going to the sound, the letter B. You already know the names of the letters. B. What's the sound of B if you want to say the first, the initial consonant in this word? This word is ball, ball. So the initial sound of B is B, B, B. And that is different from the name. It's a sound. You're listening for B, B, B. And the next sound is, and the letter C has a sound, and it's K. It is the beginning sound of this word. This word is cat. It's cat. And this is the beginning sound. It has a K sound. The letter D has a sound, and the initial sound, the first letter in the word dog. D, dog, D. So the D has a D sound. D, D. And the C has a K sound. If you're trying to say cat, you're going to say K. We're going to skip the vowels. We'll learn about those later. This is the letter E, and it is a vowel. Also, the letter A is a vowel. I guess I could try it. We'll say egg, eh, eh. And this particular word, egg, this sound is eh, eh, eh. Let's go to the letter F, F. Pronounce it F. But the sound of the letter F is, I'm moving my mouth like, I'm touching my teeth, but I'm not putting them on, I'm not keeping those teeth, the top teeth on the bottom lip. I'm just touching it. In the word, the beginning letter in the word fish. So that's the letter F sound. Let's go to the letter G. It has a sound of G, G, as the first letter or the initial sound in the word goat, goat, G, G, G. Sort of in the back of the throat, G, the letter G. H. H. The sound of H is as if you're blowing air out. H. Hat is the initial H in the word hat. And we will go over these sounds again and again, so don't feel like you have to know them all this time. We will repeat. We do a lot of repetition. Repetition helps you to remember. The sound of this letter is I, and in this particular word, this is a vowel also. A is a vowel, E is a vowel, I is a vowel, and it is sound of this I in the word igloo is I, 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 I. The letter J has the word, the sound J, 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 J. It's almost two sounds, J, J. K has the sound, let me go back, move these up. K has the sound of in the word kite. The E is silent, kite. K, k. L, the letter L has the sound of L, L, as in the word, the beginning sound to say lion, lion, L. The M has the sound of, you see my lips? Notice, it's almost a hum. Monkey is this sound, monkey. Okay, let's go to the letter N. The sound of N is N. Different from N, the pronunciation of the letter, the name of the letter N, but the sound of N, if you're going to start or begin to say the initial consonant in this word is nest. N,